Hello everyone and welcome back to the Data Science with Harivansh Expert Series. Today we are diving deep into one of the most critical skill sets for any aspiring data scientist or analyst. Dataset manipulation using Python. In the real world, data is rarely clean or ready for analysis right out of the box. Most of your time as a data professional will be spent wrangling, cleaning, and transforming datasets to unlock meaningful insights. This presentation is designed to help you ache your interviews by walking through common technical questions and providing clear actionable explanations. Core manipulation techniques. The first major question you will often face in a technical interview is, what steps and techniques have you applied for manipulating datasets in Python? To answer this effectively, you should think of it as a multi-stage workflow. It starts with data cleaning, where you identify and handle null values and duplicates using libraries like pandas. Methods like dropna or fillna are your primary tools here. Once the data is clean, you move into filtering and sorting. This is about subsetting your data, extracting only the rows or columns that matter for a specific hypothesis and ordering them logically to spot trends. Next, we're looking at grouping and aggregation. Using the group by function in pandas allows you to split your data into groups based on categories like region or month, and then apply statistical functions such as sum, mean, or count. This is how you turn granular data into high level business intelligence. Furthermore, merging and joining is essential when your data lives in multiple sources. By using pd.merge, you can combine disparate data sets based on common keys, much like a SQL join. Finally, there is feature engineering and transformation. This involves creating new columns, perhaps calculating a total price from unit price and quantity using the apply method with lambda functions to transform your data at scale. Practical string handling. Moving on to a more specific coding challenge. Let's look at email string handling. A common interview task is, how can you separate the portion before before and after the symbol from an email address using Python. This tests your fundamental understanding of string manipulation. The most efficient way to achieve this is by using the .split method. When you call email.split Python scans the string for the character and divides it into a list of two separate strings. For example, if the email is example@gmail.com, the split method returns a list containing example and gmail.com. You can then assign this to variables like username and domain respectively. This simple yet powerful technique is a building block for more complex data parsing tasks. Whether you are cleaning a list of thousands of users or automating an email reporting system, mastering these string operations ensures your code is both readable, and efficient. Conclusion. To wrap up, mastering dataset manipulation isn't just about memorizing syntax, it's about understanding the logic of how data flows from a raw state to a polished insight. By focusing on cleaning, grouping, and transforming, and by honing your skills in specific areas like string handling, you demonstrate to interviewers that you have the practical hands on experience needed to solve real world problems. Keep practicing these techniques, build your own projects, and stay curious. Thank you for joining Data Science with Harivansh. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next session.